Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders, and right now we'll be discussing about how to use CSS border shorthand property for top border. Back to our document right here. As you can see, our document is looking nice for now, and let's give it shorthand property of top border. So right here in our previous tutorial we discussed about the border bottom. Now we are going to be discussing about the top border. So we are going to use this shorthand property of border dash top. So let's use this and give it 20, 23 pixel solid blue. Okay, let's give it solid gold route. Let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see the top of our fit set is having this kind of color? Let's change this fit set to body element. Reload the document. Let's see. Can you see the top of our document right here is having this border? So that's how you can use the border element, and you can change this to maybe h1 tag or h2 tag or p tag. Let's use our p tag and reload our document. When we reload our document, because we don't have p tag here, it's not showing. So definitely if we write, if we use our h1 tag, because we have h1 tag in our document, can you see our h1 tag is now having top border, as you can see. So that's how it goes, and you can decrease and increase the size of the border if you want. Let's give it 2 pixels so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see? Now it's looking nice, right? So try it. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.